Manipur-born, Singapore-based entrepreneur, investor and business strategist Yumnam Sanajaoba has been honored with the NRI Achievers Award 2026 for Global Business Leadership with Impact on Northeast India. The award was presented during the 5th edition of the NRI Achievers Award held on 31st of July at St. Regis, Singapore. Organized by Eventinity Ventures Private Limited, the event recognized achievers from the Indian diaspora for their contributions to business, entrepreneurship and community development across the world. Born and raised in Imphal, Sanajaoba completed his MBA at the Manipur Institute of Management Studies before moving to Singapore. Over the past 2 decades, he has built a global career spanning alternative investments, consulting, executive search, family office advisory, private equity, and direct investments across Asia and Europe. He founded Singapore-headquartered Amethyst Partners, which has grown into an international platform with operations in Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, India, and United Kingdom and Europe. Now, through his business ventures and global network, Sanajaoba continues to support investment, mentorship, and strategic collaborations aimed at creating opportunities for Manipur and Northeast India.